She'll go down these streets, or do you want to go?
Let's go get that lady, and then we know we got one person.
Is that a fire guy, or
No.
I can't tell. No.
No, we got to go to the right.
Holy shit, this is bad. Are we going too fast? No? Not gonna go much faster than that.
Yeah, you don't really want to bring more water going to people out.
We'll turn right on some wood.
We got to get over. We're going to turn right here or the next one because we're running out of.
Oh shit, yeah, I didn't even notice that. So we might be able to walk her to it though. Stop up here, walk her to the boat, and then take her back.
Go to that stop, probably to the stop sign and turn right.
That might be the street we turn on, actually. Mess back in here.
Yeah.
Holy shit. It's like a river back here.
Yeah, well, we got the corner. So.
Oh yeah, I know.
Look at what's underneath the car. Sage down.
You want to go down Sage down?
I think.
She's over there, but
We gotta go to the left.
to get over?
It's right, and then go down, maybe go around down here, I don't know.
Well, we can go across right there, but that's going to be really freaking deep. We don't want anyone to fall off. That's going to be like 20 feet of water in that ditch.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a street, isn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't think it was that bad over here still. Holy shit. I can't tell. Am I anywhere close to the street? A curb?
Right of the car.
Go to the right of the car?
He's right in the middle of the street, I think.
I think he is too, but I don't know what.
Behind him.
Behind him? I don't want to see.
Yeah,
I guess.
probably this is the driveway over here.
Oh, shit. People's mattresses floating away. Watch this truck! Clear? That's school's high ground right there. If we look on the map, we might have to cut across one of these ditches here.
Yeah.
Her house is like right back in there.
What was the address? Meadow 11635.
11635.
What street?
Highland Meadow, I believe. Yeah, this right here is the flood creek or the dam or whatever the hell it is. She's on that side of the thing.
Yeah.
Ask her if he's good back there if I'm pulling too hard. Oh shit, there's a fence right there. It's like the guardrail. Could be people in there. up here looks like it's under less water. I think we need to go back to that ditch. See, you can see the driveways up here. I think we're gonna have to cut across the ditch. Don't you think?
Maybe. Let's see what street this is.
Do you have your phone out? Oh shit. That'd be a damn good boat too. You got a key in it? That'd be a perfect boat. The sun of torch is working pretty good actually. Need a ride or no? They need a ride? Yeah, there's a lot more than I thought. I'm assuming there's another bridge though. No, we can't get to the street unless we go over a bridge or through a ditch. It's on that side.
I know, but they went across.
Alright, let me look it up. Hold on. Oh shit, can't get through there.
Get your John boat back in there, but
Oh, there's a lady right there, somebody, a guy.
there's a flag.
Well, we could go back and go across the part where it's really deep through the ditch. Okay. Where the bridge is? It's probably the only way we're going to cross. Do you want to take the John boat across here, or do you want to do the jet ski around?
You can't get that jet ski over there free.
No, you go in the river.
No, through the ditch.
Through the ditch.
I thought there was a fence there.
No, they're in the fence. We didn't go through because we thought we could go around it.
Oh, we can go around it.
Shit, I got an ant on my back. I had an ant on my back.
I mean, I think it'd be quicker if we just cleared it in.
But we don't know how far her street is from here. Let me look it up.
Can't get the jet ski over